We've all been there, standing in a line at the ATM, knowing it's going to be a long way just to make a transaction. But guess what? There's a faster way, easier way to handle your finances.
Right from your phone. First, open your Capitec app. If you don't have it yet, download it from your app store. Now, let's say you want to pay your TechCONNECT account. It's as easy as a few taps. Tap on the Pay Beneficiary shortcut on your sign-in or home screen. If it's not there, you can find it under Transact. Next, select Beneficiary and then Bank Details. Enter the beneficiary's name, account number, bank branch code, and beneficiary reference. Don't forget the payment notification. Once you've filled everything in, confirm the details and enter your remote PIN. And just like that, your beneficiary is successfully loaded. Tap Pay to complete the transaction. If you ever need to make another payment to TechCONNECT, it's even easier next time. Simply go to Pay Beneficiaries, scroll down, search for TechCONNECT, enter the amount and tap Pay. Confirm the payment and you're done. No more waiting in long ATM queues. So, next time you need to make a payment, skip the line and use the Capitec app. It's fast, convenient, and right at your fingertips. Happy banking!